In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate app permissions on this Redmi. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down to access Privacy Protection. Now choose All Permissions and click on one of your device's features that you want to manage. I will go with Camera. Now select one of your apps, maybe AliExpress, and tap on one of those options that you wish to apply. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click on it and go back, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps instead and tap on See All Camera Permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!